Hi, this is Joshua with Impress Computers. Today we're going to go over our latest custom-built gaming machine we had. Customer had ordered special parts. He actually came to us and was like, hey, can you order these parts? We were like, no problem. Got it in, got it built for him. Looks really nice. If you actually look at the machine here, it comes out real easy. It's got a Fantex case. We got the 2080 video card in here. We got 32 gigs of RAM with the RGB in there, so it lights up, gives a good little display. The Corsair, it's got the liquid cool Corsair dual fans in it as well. It's i9 processor, the 9900k. It also has a gigabyte motherboard in there, and it runs real smooth. We got Windows 10 on it. It's basically got everything you want. I believe this customer is an auto trader or trader for, you know, stocks and stuff like that, so he can get in real quick, make some money, and then get out real quick if he needs to. So if you need any help building any of these kinds of machines, you can give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.